Okay, so one of the questions that I get asked a lot, I get asked quite a lot of questions, but the big one is about fish. People seem to be a bit scared about cooking fish. Well, today we're going to put that to rest. This is really simple, really, really easy and really, really delicious. Whole fish in the oven, garlic, lemon, little bit of foil, aluminium or silver foil, whatever you call that. The fish I'm using today is tilapia. Any fish works, that's delicious. It's going to be really easy for you to do. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so let's talk about a few basics. First of all, one, I'm using a fish called tilapia. You can use any whole fish that you like, trout, just anything really, just any whole fish. This fish has been cleaned. That means it's been descaled. The innards have been taken out, the guts are out, the tail bit's been cut off, and the sharp things on the top and the bottom have been removed. You can do that yourself, or you can ask your fishmonger to do it. I think generally you can buy a fish like that already in a store. Okay, it needs to go into the oven, so it's in an oven dish. I'm using a glass oven dish. You could use ceramic or metal as well. As long as it can go in the oven, that's fine. You can see that we've got some silver foil, aluminium foil, aluminum, I think you say that in American, yeah, aluminum, we say aluminium. And that's it, so the fish is done. Now what I've done is I've taken a knife and I've scored all the way there on both sides. So just a little cut in each. Let me just do that so you can see it. Can you see? Well, I've kind of just opened it out a little bit. That's just going to help it on its way. Now I've got some lemon. I've got one lemon. I've got a whole lemon. I just sliced it. You can see a couple of pieces here, and there's a few more pieces inside. Very simply, we're going to season this with salt and pepper. And then you can add another herb if you want. I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper, I think, and maybe some thyme. So let me grab that. So yeah, I've just grabbed some cayenne pepper or chili powder or something like that. I'm going to get some of that on there, as much or as little as you like. And then I've got some dried thyme. Going to go for that as well. Now, think about, you know, any other herbs and spices that you like. Just get it in there. We're now going to add some butter. So I've just sliced up some pieces of butter. You can randomly put it in if you want, or just on like I'm doing here. Maybe a bit of garlic. Should we try that? Yeah, I've got some chopped garlic here. Just get that on there. Maybe a couple of teaspoons or so. Again, anything you like can go on this. You can flavor it exactly how you like. And I think one more thing, I'm going to get just a drizzle of olive oil. And that's looking beautiful. Of course, there's one ingredient that we haven't put on yet, and that is our lemon juice, which I'm about to squeeze. Get that on. We're ready for the oven. By the way, get your oven on now. Maximum heat, really hot. And there we go. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. That's like 2 decent sized lemons there. So anything goes. Salt, pepper, and then off you go. Like I say, today we've gone with cayenne or chili with some thyme, butter, garlic. Fantastic. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this over like so, but not touching the fish. We're going to, you know, we're trying to make a pillow here, so there's some air in there. So I'm going to grab another piece of the foil. That's going to go over there. I'm going to keep that nice air gap there. That's going to go into a really, really hot oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, so out of the oven she comes. That's been in for like 13 minutes maybe. Full blast, really high heat. Let's have a look. She's steaming out nicely. Like I say, we've created that pocket there. Oh, that's good. That is so good. Okay, so just got it out of the foil, put it on a plate, then I've poured the garlicky, lemony butter on top. That is so easy, so beautiful. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep Keep well, and I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.